हाम्रो यो युनिट 1 को पहिलो पेज हो र यसमा हामी हेर्न सक्छौं we can see that there is picture of 4 people, who are they? First picture talks about American or European. Second, Saudi Arabian. Third, we can say Tibetan or Korean or Japanese. And the fourth one is Nepalese. Yeah. So how do American greet each other? American greet each other by shaking hand firmly and looking straight into the eye. In the same way, Saudi Arabian hugging and saying Salam alaikum wa alaikum, like that, whatever they speak in their language. Yeah, in our language we can say that. And Tibetan or Japanese or Korean, we can say they bow their head. Yes. And Nepalese, namaste, namaskar. Somewhere we can also find shaking hand as well. Yes. In the same way, before talking about the lesson, world guide to good manner, how not to behave badly abroad, we have to know about something more than this. First, we have to talk about the world is not a single state. The world is a global village. The world is very big in sense that we have 7 continents. One is not suitable for human being, but 6 continents are perfect for all. So people from different place, different culture, different language, yes, different religion have different way of greetings. So when we go to other country, when we go to the place where we don't know about the culture of that very place, if we don't know the culture, the tradition, the way of greeting, if you don't know their trend, then we may be insulted or we cannot adjust at that very time or at that very place. Yes. So when we travel, we have to know about their culture, their tradition, their behavior, their greeting as well, because we must have good conduct, we must have moral, good moral, or we can say we must have manner, good behavior. We don't have to behave badly. कसैसँग खराबले कुरा गर्नु पर्यो भने तो कन्फ्लिक्ट ल्याउँछ है. सो सबैसँग राम्रोसँग व्यवहार गर्नुपर्छ. Traveling to all corners of the world is getting easier and easier. Why? Because of modern trend known as modern means of communication, that is internet. Now everyone is at their home and we are sitting together, and it's the best example of global village. Suppose you have to have conference, you don't have to go to America, you can just easily have virtual conference, or we can say Zoom meeting, online meeting. Then you can have people from different parts of the world and you can share your ideas. So because of the internet facility, because of the modern means of communication, we are getting closer and closer. So it is known as global village. There is no distance, no boundaries. But this doesn't mean that we all behave in the same way. We have our own behavior, our own culture, own way of doing. Different people of different countries have their own way of life. So we can't change them, but we have to adjust according to their way of life, according to their way. Suppose if we go to Himalayan part of the country, we have to do this as told by them. Suppose we go to America, we have to follow them. Suppose we go to Saudi Arabia, we have to stay there, we have to follow them in any part of the world. Yes, so we have to know about their culture, their tradition. So in this way, we can talk about, we must have good moral, good manner, good behavior, because if we behave well, we can be treated well, we can be, yes, appreciated by others as well. Now, today's discussion is focused on greetings. Greetings in terms that in our language, greeting is known as Abhivadan, Abhinandan, or we can say, yes, saluting or addressing or salutation in different way. हामी त्यसलाई के भन्छौँ, कसैले कसैलाई है स्वागत गर्दै उसको सम्मान गर्छ या उसँग हैन आदान प्रदान गर्छ नि त, जस्तो अभिवादन गर्नु, कसैलाई हात मिलाउनु, हैन, shaking, hugging, there are different ways of greeting. So here's example of American as well, Japanese, the people belonging to Thailand, in other place as well. So he's given the first question, how should you behave when you meet someone for the first time? An American or Canadian shakes your hand firmly while looking you straight in the eyes. In many parts of Asia, there is no physical contact at all. In Japan, you should bow, and the more you respect the person, the deeper you should bow. In Thailand, the greeting is made by pressing both hands together at the chest, as if you are praying, and bowing your head slightly. In both countries, eye contact is avoided as a sign of respect. So this is just a simple paragraph talking about greeting. We can have more than this. So the question is, how should you behave when you meet someone for the first time? कसरी है, कसरी तिमी अरूसँग कसरी बिहेभ गर्छौ या तिमीलाई अरूसँग कसरी व्यवहार गर्नुपर्छ जब तिमी पहिलोचोटि कसैलाई मिट गर्छौ, भेट गर्छौ. सपोज हाम्रो समाजमा के हुन्छ, हामी कसैलाई पहिलोचोटि भेट्छौँ भने हामी नमस्कार भन्छौँ है, हाम्रो भाषामा, गाउँको भाषामा, लोकल भाषामा है, धेरै तरिकाले भनिन्छ. बट अमेरिकनले के गर्छ है, क्यानेडियनले के गर्छ, दे शेक्स your hand firmly. When you go to America or Canada, yes, they take your hand, catch it tightly, जोडले समात्छ, hold it tightly, grasp your hand tightly. Firmly भनेको tightly, strongly, जोडले. And why firmly? किन जोडले बलियो तरिकाले हाम्रो हातलाई थिच्ने गर्छ, होल्ड गर्ने गर्छ? Because it shows a strong relation between you and him. While looking you straight in the eyes, there is equality between you and him or her. Yeah. So American र Canada, हैन, अमेरिका र क्यानाडामा के हुन्छ, हात मिलाउनु पर्दा स्ट्रङली मिलाउँछ, त्यस्तै एक अर्काको आँखामा पनि सिधा हेर्ने गर्छ, आई कन्ट्याक्ट हुन्छ. In many parts of Asia, अब एसिया महादेशको धेरै ठाउँहरुमा फिजिकल कन्ट्याक्ट हुँदैन, बडी टच गर्ने कुरा हुँदैन. Without touching body, they greet each other. In Japan, you should bow, and the more you respect the person, the deeper you should bow. Japan मा के हुन्छ भने हामीलाई झुक्नु पर्ने हुन्छ, आफ्नो बडीलाई बेन्ड गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ, झुकाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ, टाउको हैन हाफ बडी बेन्ड गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. जति बडी हामी कसैलाई रेस्पेक्ट गर्छौं नि, त्यति नै बडी झुक्नु पर्छ. That's the way of greeting over there. In Thailand, greeting is made by pressing both hands together at the chest. तर थाइल्यान्डमा के छ, दुवै हातलाई, both hands भनेको दुवै हात भइहाल्यो, त्यसलाई ताप थिच्दै प्रेसिङ गर्दै के गर्नुपर्छ, आफ्नो है चेस्टमा प्रेसिङ गर्दै ग्रीट गर्नुपर्छ. र कस्तो, as if you are praying, र आफ्नो टाउको पनि झुकाउनु पर्छ. यहाँ लेखेको छ, and bowing your head slightly, हल्का रिल्याक्सेसनमा आफ्नो टाउको झुकाउनु पर्छ, as if you are praying, प्रार्थना गरे जस्तै, जस्तै हामी गॉडको अगाडि उभिहाल्छौं र त्यस्तो गर्छौं. In both countries, eye contact is avoided as a sign of respect. Look, in Thailand and Japan, people don't contact. What? They don't have eye contact. उनीहरू आँखा नै मिलाउँदैन. हाम्रो देशमा पनि त्यही हुन्छ धेरै ठाउँहरुमा. But now modernization has disturbed everything. तर European culture मा, Western culture, we can say simply, त्यहाँ eye contact, shaking hand, hugging, kissing, these things are normal. So today we started talking about, yes, your English book of grade 10, unit 1, and it's about greeting. I hope you enjoyed. We can discuss more than this. If you have any queries, you can ask.